guys, this is Praveen and I would like to share about a beautiful place that I like to visit every day of the year. Let's visit that place. Some of you may think, what is the special about this place? It's just a waterfall. For me, it's not just a waterfall because the place helps me to come out of my every bad situation in my life. I go to that place to make myself feel pleasant and to maintain a peaceful mind. So my dear friends, if you feel bad, please visit places like this. The nature will give you some kind of a relief from your all problems. If you guys enjoy the video, give me a like, and if anyone know the place, comment it below. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe.